வணக்கம் இந்தியா கிளிட்ஸ் நேயர்களே, என்ன இருந்தால் படம் பார்த்துருந்தீங்கன்னாக்கா இவங்களை மறக்காமல் நம்மளால கன்ஃபார்மாக இருக்கவே முடியாது. இவ்வளோ வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறமா கூட உனக்கு என்ன வேணும்னு சொல்லு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான சாங் வந்து எல்லாரோட வாழ்க்கையிலும் அது வந்து அமையும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சாங் உங்களுக்கு அமைஞ்சிருக்கு. ஸோ லெட்ஸ் வெல்கம் அனிகா. ஹலோ, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
வெரி குட்.
அஜித் சார் கூட ரெண்டாவது படம் பண்ணுறீங்க. ஸோ என்ன இருந்தாலும் நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு அஜித் சார் கூட நடிச்சிங்க. இப்போ விஸ்வாசம்னா ரெண்டு அஜித் சார் கூட நடிச்சிருக்கீங்க. ஸோ எப்படி இருக்கு அவரோட அந்த தாடி லுக்கு?
While doing Enna Irundhal, he was totally clean shave, right?
Clean, correct.
Yeah, I think at the start he had a mustache and something. Yeah, this he has like full beard, you know, it's full white and all. It was very different. And he keeps telling me that he doesn't remember how his face used to look because with the beard and all, like I forgot how my face used to look. He keeps, you know, telling me about how he wants to take this beard off. Because it's really uncomfortable, I think. He sometimes, you know, tries to speak Malayalam.
Okay.
He sometimes calls me Mole.
Mole?
Yeah.
In the mole?
In the mole.
In the mole.
Genuinely
exact.
ask that.
Okay.
Like when I, in the morning and all, I'll say good morning to him, like, in the mole. Like that. And he keeps asking me, is this right? Is this Malayalam word right? And all that. He understands Malayalam, I think.
You understand?
Yeah.
What was happening after every day, like, you know, meeting him with them in the sets? Like, there is no portions for you both. You sit and talk together.
Actually, talking with Ajit sir is so hard for me.
Why?
Because I've done so many, I've shot so many scenes with him. Still, I find him so, you know, it's just, I respect him too much to actually, you know, talk to him. I find it really scary. I don't even know why my mom asks me, like, why are you so tense to, you know, speak with Ajit sir? You've acted so much with him. Still, I find it so, you know, my heart just goes all the time because I don't know how to talk to him. You know, what if I say something wrong? Nobody knows now. What if he gets angry? He never gets angry at anybody.
Of course, yeah.
But still, I'm just really tensed when I talk to him.
So, எங்களுக்கு தெரியும் வந்து அஜித் சார் வந்து ஒரு is like always with the family. It's a family person, correct? So does he? Have you seen him talking over the call now with his family?
I have.
You have?
Yeah, I've seen him talking with his son, I think. So he's like so sweet with them. He'll be like, I miss you so much and all that kind of stuff. It's like so adorable to see them talking. And he talks about his daughter and son a lot actually. He keeps showing me photos and all, them together. It's very sweet.
What phone he uses?
He does not use any really big phones. He has a Nokia, that small phone, you know?
Yeah, the black and white.
Yeah, not the black and white, just black.
Okay.
And then he also uses a Samsung. He doesn't even have an iPhone.
He doesn't even have an iPhone. No show.
Why do you not have
So in which phone he shows all this?
Samsung?
Samsung, and that's
The Nokia is just for calling.
just for calling. That's it. Nothing and anything.
Nothing else. And he watches videos on YouTube and the other phone.
So which Ajit you like the most? The younger Ajit or the older Ajit?
The one with the white beard. I don't know why.
The one with the white beard.
The other one looks a little, you know, really tough.
Really
It kind of
tough.
scares me. Like the one with the white beard and white hair.
So we're gonna quickly do something rapid fire about Ajit sir. Be ready.
Okay.
Ready? Okay.
Ready.
Yeah. So அவர் எந்த கார் யூஸ் பண்றாரு?
Swift.
அவரோட மொபைல் ரிங்டோன்?
The normal one.
The normal one.
The Samsung phone, I think.
Okay. So எந்த வார்த்தை அதிகமாக யூஸ் பண்ணுவார் while he's talking?
First he says good morning a lot. And hi, how are you?
So அவர் என்ன பண்ணுவார் சார் ஒரு ஷார்ட் முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம்?
He doesn't go back to his caravan a lot. He just, you know, walks around the set. When they're lighting up and everything, he'll just walk. Just roam around the set, talk to somebody, talk to the director, talk to me. Normally just walk around, you know. Even he'll walk this way, I'll walk this way. So we'll just walking like that. He'll probably sing or something, you know, I'm singing. So everybody's just like walking.
Okay. So உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா நயன்தாரா வந்து she's like very big thing here. She's a lady superstar here.
I know that.
You know that, right?
Yes. She's so big in Tamil Nadu.
What are the things you learned from her?
Everything, you know. I look up to her so much. I just stare at her while she's doing her makeup also. It's kind of weird, but you know, she'll tell me, you know, do that, do this. Even while even my costume, you know, she's like, you can do this a little better. Like she doesn't say much about my acting and all, but rest of the stuff she does everything.
So Viswasam on the whole, it's kind of a festival.
Yeah.
We kind of a festival. I mean, we've been like waiting for the festival to happen, to come actually. So it's going to come in by next year.
Next year, January.
என்ன இருந்தாலுக்கு அப்புறமா how special you felt?
It was really great. When I got the call for Enna Irundhal itself, it was such a big deal. Then I was really small to understand, you know, the importance of everything. But now I've grown up a little bit, I think.
Yeah,
Just a little bit. Maybe a little taller. And you know, it was such a big thing. I was so excited, especially to be doing a movie with Ajit sir and Nayanthara Chechi again. So it was really great.
First day setல அஜித் சாரை பார்த்தப்போ வந்து I think after a long time you would have met each other.
Yes.
What exactly happened?
Oh, he asked me how I was. He asked me about, you know, my family, how my mom was and all. And then, you know, just caught up with everything. It's been 4 years, I think, since I saw him. He's like, how's everybody? He was just really nice. And he asked me if I was doing anything new, any other projects than this. You know, it was just very casual.
How many days you shot for Vishwasam?
Vishwasam, I shot for, I think, 20-25 days
Okay.
throughout. Yeah, so that's a lot.
So where was the shooting going on?
Shooting, we had a lot of shoot in Hyderabad and then a little bit in Bombay also.
So this was in the day one meeting with Ajit sir. He was like, okay, hi, you've grown up this much.
Yeah,
He would have asked you, right?
he did. He's like, you've become, you know, big and everything. You know, he was so sweet about everything. He asked me how my mom was, how my family was, and if I'm doing anything new, and it was very nice.
ஸோ விஸ்வாசம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபுல்லாகவே வந்து ஒரு வில்லேஜ் ஸ்பேஸ் சப்ஜெக்ட். ஸோ என்ன இருந்தாலும் வந்து வேறு மாதிரி இருக்கும். விஸ்வாசம் இஸ் அ டோட்டல் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் திங். We know this. What was the things were happening in the set?
It was really great actually. Again, working with Ajit sir and Nayanthara Chechi and every other cast member there, which I won't tell you.
Okay.
Because it's a secret.
ஸோ விஸ்வாசம் படம் பண்ணும்போது நயன்தாரா மேம் கொடுத்தது உங்களோட ரெண்டாவது படம். ஓகே, அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்க உங்களுக்கு நேரில் பார்த்துட்டு?
She told me, you know, that first movie there's a song called I Love You Mummy. So that song was a very big hit in Kerala. Like still, you know, kids still watch it. I don't even know why. It was a very big hit in Kerala, and she asked me about that, and you know, and she congratulated me on doing that short film.
Okay.
And you know, all that stuff. She's really nice to me. And, you know, she takes after me so much. She looks after me so much, and you know, she's really sweet.
வேற என்ன உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது? இவங்க நயன்தாரா and அஜித் சார் they coming back again for this film. Yeah, they have already given a successful combos before. So have they ever talked about all these things in the sets, like in the Marla we have to put this scene a little bit more better like that?
No, Ajit sir normally gives a lot of opinions to the director uncle, Shiva uncle, like she can do this. Even about me, he changes the scenes a little bit, you know, this could be better. He keeps, you know, giving like opinions and all. He does a lot of that, and I don't know about Nayanthara Chechi because she just does what the director asks her to do it.
What are the special things that you learned from Ajit sir?
He's like so good to people. No, he's so equal. He never treats anybody, you know, differently while doing anything. He's like so sweet to everyone. So I think that's really important. And you know, you can see why his fans adore him so much because he's such a nice person. So I think that's such a beautiful quality that he has.
What he talks to you?
He talks a lot about food, more than you think he talks. You know, about what he eats, you know, what his diet is. He's always saying, you know, I want to lose weight, I'm going to do this diet tomorrow, I'm going to do that diet tomorrow. And he actually does it also, okay?
Okay.
Actually
What's his diet?
He normally avoids rice. He eats a lot of salads, a lot of protein, chicken and all. And then, yeah, normally like roti and dal, all that stuff.
He cooks his own food?
Sometimes he cooks his own food, sometimes he cooks for us, you know, for the artists and all. And he has a cook also.
What he has cooked for you?
I think the first week of shoot, he made kebabs, chicken kebabs, and it was very nice. It was a little bit overcooked, but he told me that it's a little overcooked, but that's fine. He made kebabs and he made a caramel custard, and then biryani, I think, once. So I don't eat mutton biryani, so he made chicken biryani separately for me. So just that me and my mom can eat chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani. It's been default.
Yeah,
If
that's
he-
a lot. He cooks a lot actually.
He cooks a lot, okay.
So it's just confusing now because Nayanthara Chechi also sometimes cooks and everybody cooks, so I'm the only one who doesn't cook.
Have you seen அவர் அந்த ட்ரோன்ல ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணதை பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, not in real life, but he shows me a lot of videos on YouTube. It's there a lot.
Yeah.
He's like, well, making a helicopter and all that stuff takes this much time, and you know, he does it. He spends a lot of money on that. He says he tells me everything mostly about it.
Back in Kerala, so Vijay sir is like a big star there. Big. Like how big is like Ajit sir?
Ajit sir, I wouldn't say he's as big as Vijay uncle, but he's quite big. They have a big, you know, fan base and you know, all clubs, fan clubs and all that kind of stuff there. So he's pretty big in Kerala also.
Pretty big.
Very big.
Big, okay.
Yeah,
So but Vijay sir has got a big scale, right?
big scale.
Very
Even
big.
Surya,
Even Surya.
yes, very big.
So what happens if a Vijay film releases in Kerala? What kind of celebrations would be going on?
Oh my god, they'll have big posters and cutouts and all of the Vijay thing. Normally what happens here, that will happen there, you know, for people around the theatre, will be houseful most of the time.
Houseful. When you going to act? எப்பயாவது விஜய் சார் கூட நடிக்கணும்னு எப்பயாவது ட்ரீம் இருந்திருக்கா?
Big wish actually.
Big
I really want to act with him because he's such a big star and I totally love him. Even while growing up, I've watched so much of his movies, his dance and action, everything. I've watched so much, and you know, he's like, I think one of the a person that I've recognized as a Tamil star. You know, first time that I think, yeah, he's like one of the.
Let your dream come true very soon. அஜித் சார் வந்து எப்பயாவது செட்ல ஸ்டன் பண்றலாம் பாத்திருக்கீங்களா? அந்த ஃபைட் சீக்வென்ஸ்லாம் பாத்திருக்கீங்களா?
I've actually seen a lot of his stunts, and he doesn't use a body double a lot. He does his own stunts mostly. Even if he can't, he'll like try a lot to do everything. Most of the stunts are really complicated. You have to flip and turn and kick and all that stuff now. So he does most of his stunts and all. So I've seen a lot of it, and you know, he might be really tired by like the midday and all, but still he'll, you know, work hard to, you know, get a good result.
எப்பயே சொல்லியிருக்கலைங்க அடிபட்டுச்சுமா ஆனாலும் நான் போய் ஷூட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் எப்பயே சொல்லியிருக்காரா?
No, while filming stunts,
filming, yeah.
no, they take care. The fight master, you know, he takes care of all that very well. I don't think he's ever been hurt like that. I think once or twice he might have, you know, dislocated. I think not while doing Vishwasam, some other movies, he might have, you know, gotten a lot of like problems or something. But he still tries a lot. You know, he doesn't tell me anything like if it's hurting or something. I ask him a lot. Like, after he does a big stunt, I'll be like, "Uncle, are you okay? You okay?" He'll be like, "Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine."
How you call him uncle?
Actually, I call him everything. When I'm in front of other people, I call him Ajit sir. When I talk to him, I call him uncle.
Uncle. Like Ajit uncle.
Ajit uncle.
So what else he does?
Oh, he's actually pretty funny.
Really?
Yeah, really. Most of the time he talks in Tamil. He says jokes also in Tamil, so I don't understand anything. But I see other people laughing, so with that I'm gonna say he's a pretty funny guy. You know, he sometimes, you know, cracks jokes in English also. That I understand. So he's a pretty funny guy.
If you ask anybody who worked with him, okay, everyone would say he's the perfect ideal gentleman that anybody will look up to in their life. Okay, what are the things you have like looked up to him like so far? Like how can he be so perfect?
I know that. I think about that all the time. He's like so perfect. There's got to be something wrong with him, right? Like he's like such a good person, and you know, I wonder if he's done anything wrong. He might have not. He's like such a great guy. He's just amazing. He's so good to talk to. And he's like so open and free, and he's so much fun also.
Has he said anything to you that you have to work on these lines, Anika, that you have to work on this, you have to work on that? Has he suggested you anything?
He gives a lot of tips on acting and all. He'll be like the voice modulation and, you know, some actions, and even while doing Vishwasam we had to do some little hard scenes and all, even emotional scenes, and he'll be like, my Tamil is quite bad and I'm conscious about that too. Even while saying dialogues, he'll be like, it's fine, talk slowly, it's fine if I don't hear it. If you don't want me to hear it, it's fine. Okay? Just don't worry about the dialogues and just focus on the emotions and all. He'll say that a lot.